Alright, doing 700 grams of Guatemalan. 30 seconds in, it's stabilized at 178, dropping from about a chamber temperature of about 500. So the bean bed is demonitored right now. That's 182 degrees. Got a new precision blower here I'm going to try. So I take this nozzle off the end. A little more ergonomically friendly than the big one. Alright, we are 43 degree rise in the first minute. Alright, 3 minutes in, we're at 272 degrees. Okay, 5 minutes, we're at 334 degrees. I'm expecting around 7 minutes to first crack. Take a look. The beans have turned from green to yellow. Alright, we had first crack at 7 minutes 47 seconds. 404 degrees. We'll calculate the 125% development time and then put these off at about 430 degrees. Alright, we're just going to wait for this to get to 430 degrees and then we'll shut her down and turbo cool with a new precision blower here. There is no replacement for displacement. The precision blower is high speed, doesn't have the volume of the yard blower. Switch to output in less than 90 seconds with the yard blower. Alright, the moment of truth. 700 grams of Guatemalan. Looks good. I'd say it's a city plot. First crack at 4 minutes 44 seconds, 440 degrees, finished at 430 with a 15% reduction.